Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by reaching level 30 and saving 50 coins to unlock the golden net path. Next, complete daily raids to obtain 3 golden shards within 5 minutes per raid. Focus on raids that spawn rare fish and glowing chests for fastest shard progress. Use a crafted lure that increases spawn rate by 40% and reduces cooldown by 1 minute. Assemble your shards at any harbor workbench to forge the golden net instantly. Equip the net to gain a 25% improved catch rate across all zones. Prioritize zones with rare fish spawns for the best golden shard drop rate. Equip the crafted lure that boosts spawn rate by 40% and shortens cooldown by 1 minute. Rotate through 5 zones per raid run to maximize unique spawn opportunities and avoid diminishing returns. Coordinate spawn timers and use bait on prime spots to improve your chances. If a zone has glowing chests, prioritize opening them for guaranteed shard fragments. Repeat daily raids until you accumulate 3 shards for forging. After collecting 3 golden shards, visit any harbor workbench to forge the golden net immediately. Make sure you have the required 50 coins and a basic net as materials for forging. Equip the golden net to receive a 25% catch rate boost across all fishing activities. Keep your crafted lure active and continue clearing 5 zones per raid to maintain shard income and practice. Save coins for repairs and upgrades to prolong the net life and keep your efficiency high.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.